Hello and welcome to Dubai. I'm so excited to be here and show you all the amazing things this city has to offer. Dubai is a city that truly lives up to its name, with its own unique blend of desert sand, bustling markets, and futuristic skyscrapers. Let's start with the desert. If you've ever seen the movie The Great Wall, then you'll know what I mean when I say that the sand in Dubai is unlike anything I've ever seen before. It's soft, fluffy, and golden brown, and it's impossible not to get caught up in the beauty of it all. Now, let's move on to the markets. Dubai is famous for its markets, and they're not your average ones. You can find everything from fresh produce to spices, gold and silver jewelry, and exotic meats. The markets are a great way to experience the local culture and meet new people. But Dubai isn't just about the desert and markets. It's also home to some of the most impressive skyscrapers in the world. The Burj Khalifa, with its 828 meters tall tower, is the tallest building in the world, and it's a sight to behold. You can see it from almost everywhere in Dubai, and it's a constant reminder of the city's incredible growth and ambition. Finally, Dubai is also known for its amazing food. From Indian to Lebanese, Middle Eastern to Mediterranean, there's something for everyone. And don't worry about finding something you're not interested in. The culinary scene in Dubai is truly global and diverse. So, if you're looking for a city that's both futuristic and traditional, filled with amazing markets and stunning architecture, then Dubai is the perfect place for you. I can't wait to explore all that this amazing city has to offer.